Automated payroll processing. Benefits and setup. In today's fast-paced business environment, efficient payroll management has become a cornerstone of financial operations. Traditional methods often involve manual calculations, paper trails, and significant human intervention, all prone to errors and delays. As organizations grow and regulatory frameworks evolve, adopting advanced payroll processing systems isn't just beneficial, it's essential. This article explores the transformative role of automated payroll processing, detailing its advantages, implementation strategies, and critical considerations for finance professionals. By leveraging technology, businesses can enhance accuracy, reduce costs, and ensure compliance with ever-changing tax laws. The evolution of payroll processing. Prior to digital innovation, payroll was a labor-intensive task managed via spreadsheets, checks, and physical records. This approach risked miscalculations, delayed payments, and difficulties in tracking employee hours across departments. Manual entry also consumed vast amounts of time that could otherwise be allocated to strategic financial planning. The advent of computerized systems introduced real-time data updates and centralized databases. However, early versions still relied heavily on IT support and lacked integration with broader enterprise resource planning (ERP) tools. Modern automated solutions now offer seamless synchronization between payroll, HR, and accounting modules, streamlining workflows significantly. Centralization. Consolidating payroll data reduces redundancy and minimizes discrepancies caused by fragmented systems. Real-time updates. Employees receive immediate notifications about salary adjustments, deductions, or payment schedules. Data accuracy. Automated validation rules catch inconsistencies before they escalate into costly errors. Core advantages of automated payroll systems. Automation eliminates the tedium of repetitive tasks such as calculating overtime, applying tax withholdings, or generating pay stubs. These functions are executed instantly, freeing staff to focus on higher-value activities like financial analysis or stakeholder communication. Additionally, automated systems provide real-time visibility into payroll expenses, enabling better budget forecasting. For example, managers can track labor costs against projected figures and identify deviations promptly. This transparency supports informed decision-making during quarterly reviews. Time savings extend beyond internal teams. Employees benefit from faster disbursements and reduced administrative hurdles. Direct deposit options eliminate postal delays, while self-service portals allow workers to update personal information or request leave without involving HR manually. Key components of effective payroll automation. A robust payroll system integrates seamlessly with existing HR software, ensuring synchronized data flow between employee records, compensation structures, and time tracking mechanisms. Disconnected systems lead to siloed information, increasing the likelihood of mismatched data entries. Data encryption protects sensitive employee details during transmission and storage. Advanced systems use multi-factor authentication to prevent unauthorized access, complying with global standards like GDPR and SOC 2. Regular audits verify that these safeguards remain intact over time. Cloud-based platforms enable remote access for authorized users, allowing payroll administrators to manage tasks globally without relying on local servers. This flexibility is particularly vital for multinational corporations dealing with diverse jurisdictions and currencies. Compliance considerations in payroll processing. Regulatory requirements vary widely across regions, making automatic tax calculation features indispensable. A well-designed system applies the correct withholding rates based on location, income level, and marital status, minimizing the risk of penalties or audits. Some jurisdictions mandate specific disclosures on payslips, such as contributions to retirement funds or healthcare premiums. Automated templates ensure these mandatory fields are always included accurately. Customizable reports further assist in preparing filings for agencies like the IRS or HMRC. Cross-border compliance adds another layer of complexity. Automated systems handle currency conversions, foreign exchange rates, and localized reporting formats automatically. They also monitor changes in legislation to adjust parameters dynamically. Setting up your automated payroll system, selecting the right platform requires evaluating your organization's size, industry-specific needs, and long-term growth goals. Small businesses may prioritize cost-effective solutions with minimal training requirements, whereas enterprises seek scalable architectures supporting thousands of employees. Demo trials help assess usability factors such as interface design, report customization options, and mobile accessibility. Integrating third-party applications, from time tracking tools to expense management platforms, should align with your current tech stack without creating compatibility issues. Implementation timelines depend on data migration complexity and user adoption readiness. Phased rollouts often work best, starting with pilot groups before expanding company-wide. Training programs tailored to different roles, e.g., admin versus managerial dashboards, maximize productivity gains quickly. Best practices for seamless integration before finalizing vendor selection. Compare feature sets against core functional requirements. Critical capabilities include direct deposit integration, W-2/1099 generation, and real-time analytics for labor cost optimization. Some providers offer AI-driven forecasts predicting future wage trends based on historical patterns. Security protocols form the backbone of trust between employers and employees alike. Look for vendors certified under ISO 27001 or similar standards demonstrating rigorous cybersecurity measures. Regular penetration testing confirms defenses against emerging threats like ransomware attacks targeting payroll data repositories. User experience remains paramount when choosing software interfaces. Intuitive navigation reduces error rates among non-specialist users handling routine transactions. Role-based permissions prevent accidental modifications to sensitive financial records by restricting access levels accordingly. Evaluating return on investment, ROI. While initial investment in automation may seem daunting, long-term savings far outweigh upfront costs. Reduced paperwork lowers office space needs and supply expenditures related to printing forms. Error reduction decreases litigation risks associated with incorrect payments or missed deadlines. Benchmark studies show companies transitioning to full automation typically achieve 60% plus improvement in payroll cycle times compared to traditional methods. Faster processing allows for more frequent salary review cycles rather than waiting until annual assessments alone. Employee satisfaction scores correlate positively with timely, accurate pay delivery. Satisfied workforce leads indirectly to lower turnover rates, saving recruitment and onboarding expenses that frequently exceed perceived benefits from new hires. Future trends shaping payroll technology. Rapid advancements in artificial intelligence promise predictive capabilities extending beyond basic calculations. Machine learning algorithms analyze spending habits to suggest optimal bonus structures aligned with performance metrics. Chatbots embedded within platforms resolve common queries autonomously, improving service speed dramatically. Blockchain technology offers potential breakthroughs in secure transaction verification and audit trail creation. Immutability ensures tamper-proof records suitable for forensic investigations during disputes or regulatory inspections. Smart contracts could automate conditional payments linked directly to verified milestones achieved by team members. Voice recognition interfaces are becoming increasingly prevalent, even in specialized domains like finance. Hands-free command input enhances accessibility for individuals with disabilities while maintaining strict access control policies through biometric identification techniques. Conclusion: payroll processing is evolving rapidly alongside technological innovations reshaping entire industries. Organizations embracing automation position themselves advantageously amidst rising expectations regarding financial transparency and operational efficiency. To stay competitive, finance leaders must proactively evaluate modern solutions that address both current challenges and anticipated future demands. Implementing intelligent payroll systems represents not merely an upgrade but a strategic transformation imperative for sustainable success in dynamic markets worldwide.